Here are the bettas that I got to go in my Betta Sorority tank today. Let's see if I can focus it. This one is a little bit cooler than it lets on camera. And then this one is showing up pretty well. But yeah, my Betta tank has been really fun. So I'm glad I got to get some more. Oh, she's in there somewhere. And her in. Go. And I have my filters turned off right now so that I can actually talk on camera because my air pump is very loud. I'm gonna go ahead and feed them, which I enjoy a lot because they act like little dogs and they grab onto the food and don't let it go. So we'll do that. Alright, I'm gonna feed them freeze-dried tubifex worms. We'll see if some will latch onto it. You can see. I don't know if you're not supposed to do that, but I get a kick out of it. And the mollies, yeah, mollies don't do that. So I have fun with the bettas. Let's see, there's some over here that are arguing. So maybe I can get them to just eat instead of argue. I just got this box from Aquarium Co-op, so since it's fish related and YouTube related, I thought I would open it up. There's not a ton of stuff in here, but we'll see what I decided to order. And I ordered this when they had their 100th live stream sale. I got some of the small fish and fried food in the little like ketchup squeeze bottle dispenser. And I got this because I found it kind of hard to find really small fish food. And this was a lot of food for pretty cheap. Before I got this, I had a really small jar of fry food, and it was almost the same price as that. And then I also got freeze-dried brine shrimp, which I've never had before. So they're in cubes, and we will feed them and see how the fish like them. My garage is really messy because we just moved here a couple months ago, and it's just still getting worked on to put drywall up and everything, so it's insulated for the fish. But yesterday I found this cicada shell. It was actually like late last night. And then today I got up to feed the fish, and here's the cicada in with the guppies. Not the guppies. The mollies and the female bettas. So I'm gonna put this thing outside. But that is one thing that you'll kind of come across whenever you decide to have fish tanks in your garage, is you will get stuff coming in that maybe you normally wouldn't, because everything likes water. I get a lot of June bugs, and you can get a lot of mosquitoes, and the mosquitoes will, you know, breed and put larvae in the water, which is fine because the fish seem to really like that. But yeah, I'm gonna take this guy and put him outside. Alright, now I can dry off.